Let's check this Python code snippet. This code snippet demonstrates how tuples work in Python. Tuples are like lists, but they are immutable, which means you cannot change their contents once they are created. First, a tuple called my_tuple is created with 4 elements, an integer, a floating point number, and a string. Then the entire tuple is printed to the console. The next line shows how to access individual elements of a tuple using their index, which starts from 0. The following line demonstrates slicing a tuple to get a subset of its elements. Attempting to modify a tuple element will result in an error because tuples are immutable. The code then shows how to unpack a tuple into individual variables by assigning the tuple to a comma-separated list of variables. This assigns each element of the tuple to the corresponding variable. Nested tuples are also possible, where a tuple can be an element of another tuple. The code demonstrates accessing an element within a nested tuple. Finally, some common tuple methods are shown. Len returns the length of the tuple. Count returns the number of occurrences of a specific element, and index returns the index of the first occurrence of a specific element. Thank you for watching.